Hello guys, in this video we will create a slash material in Unreal Engine. Okay, first we need a static mesh to use the slash material. Here we use this static mesh. It looks like a half ring. And this is the static mesh UV. It's a rectangle because the static mesh was originally a plane and we just scaled and twisted it. We can create a preview material to see the UV. First, we need a line texture. And we can connect it to the emissive color and let's see the static mesh. Yes, the wet area is our texture and we just need to make some changes to the material and then we can get a slash effect. Okay, now let's create the slash material. Okay, first, blend mode is translucent and shading model is unlit. Also, two-sided is true. Then add a text card. We need to do some math on it to make it look like a diamond. So add a component mask. Select R channel. And add a negative 0.5. And then multiply 2. Now take an absolute value of this result. The area is 1 to 0 to 1. And add a 1 minus. Now the area is 0 to 1 to 0. Okay, let's power it and set the exponent to 5. So it looks sharper. Now let's copy this node and select the mask to G channel. And we want to move it in vertical direction. So we need to add a parameter to text card. Add a 2D vector, append vector. And A is X, so it's 0. B is Y, so we need to control it to move in vertical direction. We can use lerp. And A is negative 1, B is 1, and alpha is the parameter. Now let's multiply R and G channel. We get a diamond. Connect it to emissive color. And add a time to preview it. Time, sign, constant bell scale. Connect it to alpha. Now we can see the preview effect. And use it to static mesh. Yes, this is the effect we want. Now let's add a color to the material. We can use hair debug color in engine content. It's a gradient color. Now multiply the color and the mask. Connect the result to emissive color. Also, we need opacity, so let's multiply mask and redo gradient. It looks like a sphere. Connect the result to opacity. And alpha, we just use 0.5. Now it looks like a slash. But we want it not sharper, so let's change the exponent to 1. And also make it brighter. We can use this function. LDR input is our color. Also, we can add a saturate. Clamp the value to 0 to 1. And HDR tint is our color multiply 50. Connect remapped range to emissive color. Now we can see the color is brighter. In static mesh, the slash material is better now. Let's preview it in the level. Looks good. Now we can add some refraction to it. First, in the details, let's search refraction and select index of refraction. And add a lerp. Connect the mask to alpha. Lerp output to refraction. A is 1, B is 1.5. Now we can see some refraction in edge. In the level, the refraction is more obvious. Also, we can change lerp's value to control the refraction intensity. Set B to 1.2. Now the refraction is not that strong. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.